Good morning, departure Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 90 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 90 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
In this episode, we take a break from a couple weeks of busy flying to give Good Karma Airlines a quick exterior detail using a product called FW1 Wash and Wax. I've been using FW1 Wash and Wax on the plane for the past few months and really like the ease of use, shine, and protection it provides. FW1 is marketed as a waterless high-performance cleaner containing carnauba wax. The application and removal are simple and practically effortless, as you might notice from the video. Any residual haze wipes away using a clean microfiber towel. Refer to the instructions and warnings on the spray can for additional information and use as directed. If you're curious to know if FW1 will work as well for you as it does for me, get yourself a bottle or two and several high-quality microfiber towels. FW1 is available on the web at www.fastwax.com, but I purchased a couple 17.5-ounce cans on Amazon.com for about $21 each.
Rotate.
Thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to see more of our videos in the future, like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Your comments, feedback, and questions are always appreciated. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, safe flying, and thanks for watching.